Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to walk around and show you this 2008 Chevrolet C5500 we have for sale. It's a two-wheel drive, 6.6 liter Duramax diesel. It's only got 127,000 miles on it. It's a one-owner truck. It was belonged to a private company. It's got an 11-foot STI service bed with a 6541 Tiger crane. It's got an Ingersoll Rand hydraulic air compressor, hydraulic outriggers. It's got a Lincoln Ranger welder on it. It's got an auxiliary fuel tank in the back. This thing, it's a very nice truck. Power windows, power door locks. Bolt bends. Air hose and reel, hydraulic outriggers. We'll come back around here and work this. The crane is a 6,500 pound crane, and it is 21 foot reach. Got a vise on the back, pretty good sized work bumper. Air seat on the driver's side. Let's keep the PTO on. Air compressors here. Fuel. Air compressor just kicked off. Winch down. Extension out. Extension in. Up. here and see if we can start this welder. $37 hours on the air compressor. All right, if you're interested in this truck, give me a call, 256-310-6852. Our website's heavymetalauto.com. You can go in there and check out pictures of it. Again, the phone number is 256-310-6852. If you're looking at this truck out of state and you want to have it shipped, I can ship it straight to your door. You're going to be looking around $1.75 a mile right now. If you decide to go that route, just know that we're a dispatcher. So what we'll do is post this on our board and we wait for somebody to call and say, hey, I see you got this truck going to New York or Oklahoma or wherever you're at. We want to take it for you. I don't have somebody just sitting here, you know, at the ready to leave out with it. So normally you can have the truck in 3 to 7 days. Sometimes it's sooner, sometimes it's later, but 3 to 7 days is a good number to work off of. If you're one of those guys, you got to know the exact second somebody's going to leave with this thing, you got to come get it yourself. You're welcome to do that. We're open Monday through Friday, 7 to 4. We're not open on the weekends. And if you come, you got to bring a cashier's check, do a wire transfer, or bring cash. We can't take a check on your name or your business name. It has to be a certified bank check. All right, with all that said, don't wait. This is a nice truck. Most of these trucks got 300,000 or 400,000 miles on them. I've had them with 300,000, 400,000 miles. So it's rare to see one with 120,000 miles. Shouldn't last too long. It's got a killer bed on it. Nice welder. It's got a really nice setup. Give me a call, 256-310-6852. Call or text. Thanks for watching.